In this video, we are going to learn how you can merge Facebook lead ads responses with forms tag documents. So the idea here is that you have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you're running Facebook lead ads on that page. Now you want that whenever the form is filled and the new lead is received, automatically using the details of the form submission, first a new document should get generated into your forms tag documents using a specific template, and then the document URL along with the lead details should be added to your Google Sheets as a new row. For that, you need to integrate Facebook lead ads with forms tag documents and then with Google Sheets also. So here your trigger application would be Facebook lead ads and your action application would be forms tag documents, along with that Google Sheets also. So how you can integrate all these software applications using Pabbly Connect? For that, you need to come to my screen. So welcome to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. If you're a new user, you have to just click on sign up for free button and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. You're going to get free task every month. If you're already a user of Pabbly Connect, simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give it as merge Facebook lead ads responses with forms tag documents. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this particular use case, we want that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically using the details of the form submission, a new document should get generated into your forms tag documents and the same document should be saved to your Google Sheet. For that, first we need to integrate Facebook lead ad forms with Pabbly Connect. So simply open this trigger window and here choose the application name as Facebook lead ads. Select the trigger event as new lead instant. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. And now the Facebook lead ads account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Facebook account. So make sure before creating a connection, you're logged in. Now, as we have created a connection here, we can find all the pages that we have created in our Facebook account. Okay. So here I'll just take you to the Facebook page that I have already created named Sunshine Resort. Okay. And here on this particular page, I'm collecting the leads for specific event registration. Okay. So I'm just going to select the same page name over here also. That is Sunshine Resort. And here I have already created some lead generation forms. I'll just show you the form also. This is my New Year Eve form. Okay, you can just generate a form as per your requirement. This is a sample form that I have created. So now I want that whenever this form is filled, automatically the registered person pass should get generated into my forms tag documents. Okay, for that, let's select the same form over here also. That is New Year Eve. Now the page access token is automatically captured, so we are not going to make any changes. And now let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to fill up the form on the name of a participant or a registrant. So let's give up the details over here. Let's give the full name as demo name, the phone number over here. And let's give the email address as demo@pabblytuts.com. Okay, and now let's click on next and click on submit. So thanks, you're all set. Form has been filled. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received and all the details of the form submission are captured over here. Let's scroll down. And here we can find the full name of the registrant as demo name. Here we can find his phone number and the email address. So now we want that using these details, automatically a new document should get generated into your forms tag documents account. So now we are going to integrate forms tag documents with Pabbly Connect. So let's come to this action window and here choose the application name as forms tag documents. Select the action event as merge document. Click on connect. Click on add new connection, and now it is asking for the API key and the secret key. Log into your FormStack Documents account. You can find the API key and the secret key from here. So I'm just going to click on this hyperlink, and here we are redirected to our FormStack Documents. We can find the key over here. So let's copy this key, and I'll be pasting the same over here. And here we are going to just copy the secret key also, and we'll be pasting the same over here in Pabbly Connect. And now let's click on Save to create a connection. Okay, and now the FormStack Documents account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now, as we have created a connection, here we can find all the documents that I have created in my FormStack Documents account. That is appointment letter, certificate, and gate pass. I'll just show you the documents over here also in my FormStack Documents account. And here you can find the same document names, that is appointment letter, certificate, and gate pass. Okay. So now I want the gate pass to be used to create a new document. And let's move to the document builder option over here. Okay, it's time for the dinner party. In this particular manner, I have created a gate pass or the dinner pass. You can just generate a pass as per your requirement. Hello, here I want the customer name to be reflected. You're cordially invited for a dinner party on 20th September at 7 p.m. Venue, Awadh Palace, Bhopal. Please show this card at the entrance. And here I have entered the merge field over here as customer name. So whenever the Facebook lead ad form will be filled, automatically using the details of the form submission, the customer name will be added in this particular field and a new document will get generated or a new pass will get generated. So for entering the fields over here, you have to just click on insert and click on merge field. So whenever you click on merge field, you have to just give a name to the field, okay, and simply click on insert field, and you can insert the fields in the document as per your requirement, okay. So now we are going to select the same document over here also in Pabbly Connect, that is gate pass. Now it is asking download document. Let's click on yes. And now here it is asking for the customer name to whom the document needs to be created. So we have already got the customer name from the trigger response. So now we are going to map it from Facebook lead ads response, and the name was demo name. Okay. And now let's click on save and send test request. So here we can see response is success, and here we have got a URL also. It means a new document is generated for the demo name customer. Okay, a new gate pass or a dinner party pass is created. Now we want these details to be added to the Google Sheet over here. Okay, that is dinner party invitees, where I am adding the same details, name of the person to whom we are inviting, his email address, phone number, and the gate pass URL. Okay, so now we are going to integrate this particular Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So let's scroll down, click on this plus sign, add action step, and here choose the application name as Google Sheets. Select the action event as add new row, click on connect, click on add new connection, and click on connect with Google Sheets. Now here it is asking me to choose an account to continue to Pabbly Connect Sheets. So I'm just going to choose my account from here. Pabbly Connect Sheets wants additional access to your Google account. So let's click on continue to give away the access, as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful. And now the Google Sheets are connected to Pabbly Connect. Now as we have created a connection, here we can find all the spreadsheets that I have created in my Google Sheet account. So our spreadsheet name is dinner party invitees. So I'm selecting the same over here. And as I have created a single sheet, sheet name is automatically captured. But if you have created multiple sheets in this particular spreadsheet, you have to just select the sheet name from the drop down. Okay. Now here it is asking for the name, email address, phone number, and gate pass URL details that needs to be added in these particular columns. So now we are going to map these details. Let's map the name from Facebook lead ad form. That was demo name. Here we'll be mapping the email address. Here we'll be mapping the phone number. And here we'll be mapping the gate pass URL. So we have mapped all the details. Now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. It means a new data is added to your Google Sheet. Let's check it. Okay, and here we have got the data added, name as demo name, the email address, the phone number, as well as the gate pass URL. So let us check whether a correct gate pass URL is saved over here or not. I'm just going to copy the link and let's open it in the new tab. Okay, I'll just open the gate pass over here. And here we can see the document as it's a time for dinner party. Hello demo name. And here we have got the same message. So this particular document or this particular gate pass is generated for demo name customer. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Okay, let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let's save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have set up an automation. This is a one-time process. Next time, whenever the Facebook lead ad form will be filled, automatically a new gate pass will get generated into your form stack documents, and then the same document URL and the customer details will be added to your Google Sheet. Now let us check this in the real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll just move to the Facebook lead ad form and we are going to fill up the form on the name of some other customer. So here I have entered the details of the customer, full name as dummy name, his phone number and the email address as dummy@pabblytudes.com. Now let's click on next and submit. So the form has been filled. Now we are going to check our Google Sheet. And here we have got the same details added, name as dummy name, email address as dummy@pabblytudes.com. Here we have got the phone number and here we have got a new gate pass URL also. So let's check this URL, whether a new document is generated or not. Let's open it. Okay, and here we have got the new document generated for dummy name customer. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And now I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect so that whenever the form is filled, automatically the details are captured in Pabbly Connect. Then using those details, we have created a new document in our form stack documents using a specific template. And then using those details, we have added the same data to our Google Sheet. And in this way, we have learned that how we can merge Facebook lead ad responses with form stack documents using Pabbly Connect. Thank you.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.